Wondering about the cost to build a new house in Carrollton, Mo? First Call Plumbing shines as a top-notch plumbing and excavation service in Carrollton, Missouri, located at 1813 Fairchild Street, Chillicothe, Missouri, 64601. They play a big role in the community by providing top excavation work for homes, offering services from land clearing and grading, which cost between $1,500 to $5,000, to installing wells and septic tanks, adding $4,500 to $22,000 more. First Call Plumbing ensures a smooth building process from start to finish and helps with construction and home improvement loans, demonstrating their commitment to providing affordable services without compromising on quality. Specializing in both plumbing and excavation services in Carrollton, Missouri, First Call Plumbing offers comprehensive residential property services, from foundational groundwork to final touches. Their community-focused solutions include options for construction and home improvement loans. Known for top-quality plumbing services, they deeply understand Carrollton, Missouri's unique plumbing challenges. Their highly skilled team and constant positive feedback showcase their dedication. First Call Plumbing meets the plumbing and excavation needs of Carrollton and beyond, focusing on quality and reliable service to ensure all jobs are done well. They work in many areas under Missouri laws, serving clients in rural spots, homes, farms, and agriculture. The team comprises skilled and versatile plumbers, with leaders who bring knowledge and sharpness to ensure their services meet your needs. Their on-time and communicative team often receives praise, reflecting their commitment to customer satisfaction. They carefully choose and train their staff to ensure top service. For assistance or inquiries, contact First Call Plumbing at 660-654-4679. They aim to provide quick and thorough service, with flexible service agreements starting with a year and then monthly for ongoing support.